Hello guys, Brad here again with another fragrance review. Today I want to look at a fragrance from the house of Salvatore Ferragamo. This one's called Acqua Essenziale, and this is what the bottle looks like from inside the card. Nice looking bottle with that blue, light blue kind of sea aquatic juice. This one is a release from 2013, classified aromatic fougere, top notes of mint and lemon leaf, middle notes of geranium, rosemary, lavender, and sea notes, base of patchouli, vetiver, musk, and lavedanum. Now, you know from my previous review that I have talked about Colonia from this Acqua Essenziale line, and I give that one a half decent score, but I think I might like this one a little bit better. It does have a similar vibe to Colonia, but this one, it takes that smell into a slightly different direction. Like Colonia, this one also has that clean, soapy, fresh laundry kind of a smell to it, kind of like a fabric softener, fresh laundry smell. But instead of using orange blossom like Colonia, this one, it goes in more of a leafy tone. It has like leafy notes, minty notes. Then mint starts to pop after about 10 minutes or so. Start to get that really nice mintiness. The mint here doesn't really remind me of toothpaste or mouthwash. It kind of has like that fresh picked mint leaf that you might put, in your iced tea on a hot summer day. So a nice refreshing mint there. Lemon here is from the lemon leaf, so the lemon isn't really like a lemonade type lemon. It's just like I said, sort of a soft, leafy lemon. It's almost like you took like some lemon juice, spritzes it on your pillowcase, then put the pillowcase in the laundry, took it out and sniffed it. Kind of has that quality to it. So fresh laundry, fresh, minty, lemony, minty kind of a smell here. And I really kind of like this one. The big issue, I guess, is performance. It seems like after my 20-30 minutes, it's really close to the skin. So if you're looking for something a little bit more potent than that, you might want to look elsewhere. Also, people were trying to say this is like a watery, more economical version of Bleu de Chanel. I don't really understand that comparison. I totally disagree with that. I do have other reviewers saying that it smells like Versace Poirot, and I haven't really smelled that one in a while. Also, some people say it smells like Nautica Voyage. I have a bottle of that one, haven't tested it out, but I have tried one of the flankers. So I think it does kind of fall into that same vein as like a Nautica Voyage type fragrance, like the Laundry Fresh aquatic type scent that Nautica would put out. So if you like Nautica scents, definitely you might want to check this one out as well, see what you think. Let me get into some final scores. The smell, I'm going to say 7.5 out of 10. A really nice smell. I love aquatics and I love laundry fresh smells, soapy, clean scents, and this one does a great job of all that. Projection longevity is where it really suffers. 6 out of 10. Like I said, maybe 1 to 3 hours on this one. Versatility, I'll say 7.5 out of 10. Mostly for spring and summer, maybe fall, but probably not something to wear on a cold day because it's just not going to have much pop to it. But, during those hot days during the spring, summer, this could be an easy grab, dumb reach type fragrance for fans of aquatics and soapy clean scents. So price point, if you go online like FragranceNet, 100 ml should run around $25. You might even be able to find it cheaper at a discounter than that. So I wouldn't pay more than $30 or $40 for this one. But yeah, if you can get it cheap and you're looking for aquatics, something soapy, clean, fresh like that, with like a lemon, minty type quality to it, definitely you want to check this one out and see what you think. My overall score, 7 out of 10, mostly because of performance issues. Maybe not the most unique thing in the world, but definitely if you like that kind of scent, you're going to really like this one, I think. So thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later.